Hi friends, welcome to today's piano tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Cold Heart by Elton John and Lipa. This is an easy song. There's just going to be 4 chords you have to learn, so if you're just a beginner, this would be a great one to try out. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's get started by looking at what we're going to learn today. Here we go. And that's it. It just repeats like that for the entire song, just those 4 chords. So let's go over those now. So our first chord here is going to be a B flat minor 7 chord. So you see we're going to have B flat here in the left hand and then F, A flat, and D flat here in the right hand. So you see like a normal B flat 7 chord just looks like this: B flat, D flat, F, and then the 7th here would be A flat. And all we're going to be doing is taking this D flat and moving it up here to the right hand. So that's how we get our first chord, B flat minor 7. All right, for our next chord, we're now going to go to E flat in the left hand and then G flat, B flat, D flat here in the right hand. So this is going to be an E flat 7. Sorry, E flat minor 7, excuse me. All right, so the next chord we have here is going to look very similar. The right hand is going to stay exactly the same, and we're just going to move from E flat to G flat now. And so this is going to be just a G flat major chord. All right, and then for our final chord now, we're going to be looking at this chord here, which is going to be an F minor 7 chord. So we have F, A flat, and C. That makes up our F minor chord, and then we add this E flat here, making it an F minor 7 chord. All right, let's review all those chords one more time. Here we go. B flat minor 7, E flat minor 7, G flat, and F minor 7. And there it is, that's it. Now, if you're comfortable playing that and you want to just mix it up just a little bit, let me show you one other thing you can do here. So in the acoustic version of this song, we actually hear this little bit that kind of sounds like arpeggios. And I think that's got a really nice sound, especially on the piano. So really, that's just going to be all the same chords, all the same notes, voiced a little bit differently in some of the cases, and then we're just going from bottom to top. So like here, these are the 4 notes for our B flat minor 7. Then we go up here for our E flat minor 7. Right here is our G flat chord. And then here, this is going to be our F minor chord, or if you want to play like this, add that E flat in there to get that F minor 7 sound. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. That was a quick one, I know. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave a like and drop a comment if you have a song you'd like to suggest for me to do. All right, have a great day. See you next time.